All right, well, today's project of the day, it's on a Ford Explorer that the AC is not blowing through the vents. It's not blowing through the vents. So, you can hear it. The fan works. It's just not blowing at all. Took this out to figure out where the problem could be. You can barely feel it. I mean, barely. And it's all the way to the maximum. So what we're gonna do is, I did some research. You can actually have access to the what they call the actuator, which opens and closes the vents through here, through the glove box. You push those in at both ends and it drops all the way down. Okay, now if you want to take this off completely, there's 3 bolts here that you can unscrew, but we don't need to do that. And there should be 2, maybe 3 what they call actuators way in here. I don't know if you can see it. It looks like a little cylinder. Okay, there's one right there. This is 1, and this is 2. Okay, so what we're gonna do is find out if they're supposed to go in and out. Like this little thing right here, supposed to go in and out, and one right here, in and out. So let's turn on the AC. Let's see if it. Oh, there it is. Oh, okay. Let's see. See, it moved in, but there's nothing hooked up to it. Let's see. So we'll have to figure out why this is not hooked up to anything. Oh, I think it's right here. There's this little piece of plastic that is broke. Okay, I think that's it. Yeah, it's broke. Right there, I can see it. Right there. I don't know if y'all can see it, but it's right. The little white thing right there, it broke off. Okay, now we need to check the other one, which is right there. See the cylinder? It's right there. And this one, it is hooked up to it. Let's see. That one. There we go. See it move? Yeah. Okay, that one is connected to something. So the bad one is this one. This is the bad one. Alright, we found the problem. It's not hooked up to anything. So I'll put up a second video once it's fixed. Alright, this is project of the day. Today, Wednesday, May, was it the 13th? No. Well, one of those.